Are you looking for the best electric scooters? In this video we will look at some of the best electric scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FREEBOY 6000W Fast Electric Scooter. FREEBOY 6000 watt fast electric scooter for adult riders brings a rush of freedom that feels honest and powerful. Standing on it gives confidence because the road feels open and inviting. Daily travel changes into an exciting journey where time feels valuable and movement feels smooth. This electric scooter connects speed with control in a way that calms the mind. Long rides feel enjoyable and strong energy supports adventurous spirits. Foldable design helps life feel flexible and stress-free. Buyers feel proud choosing something bold, reliable and modern. This scooter matches people who love independence, progress and unforgettable outdoor moments. Number 2. Joyor T10 Adult E-scooter. Joyor T10 Adult Electric Scooter speaks to people who value freedom, confidence and bold movement. Every ride feels like stepping into a stronger version of daily life where roads invite exploration and silence stress. This electric scooter fits riders who want independence without limits and motion without doubt. Commuting becomes personal time filled with calm focus and quiet excitement. Outdoor paths feel welcoming and journeys feel meaningful rather than rushed. Ownership brings pride because the choice reflects courage, growth and modern thinking. The design encourages balance and trust, allowing riders to feel secure while moving forward. Long evenings feel brighter when travel becomes enjoyable and smooth. Urban routines transform into memorable moments filled with control and clarity. This electric scooter connects ambition with comfort, creating a feeling of reliability that supports active lifestyles. Buyers sense lasting value because the experience feels honest and empowering. Joyor T10 Adult Electric Scooter suits people who believe travel should inspire confidence, not fatigue. Choosing it means choosing progress, personal space and joyful motion every day. Number 3. HEZZO Folding Electric Scooter. HEZZO Folding Electric Scooter for college students brings a sense of independence that feels exciting and reassuring. Moving across campus becomes smoother and more personal, turning ordinary days into confident moments. This electric scooter supports busy student life where time matters and energy feels precious. Riding feels calm yet motivating, helping minds stay focused and spirits stay light. Morning classes feel closer and evening plans feel easier to reach. Ownership creates pride because the choice reflects smart thinking and modern lifestyle values. Friends notice the freedom and quiet confidence it brings. Travel no longer feels tiring or stressful, instead it feels balanced and enjoyable. This scooter fits students who want reliability without complications and movement without effort. Every journey feels controlled and steady, building trust with each ride. Daily routines transform into small adventures that feel rewarding. Carrying it feels simple, making life flexible and organized. HEZZO Folding Electric Scooter for college students matches people who believe progress should feel comfortable and inspiring. Choosing it means choosing clarity, freedom, and smooth motion during important years of growth and learning.